Operating a vehicle fleet in Papua New Guinea, the Solomon Islands, Fiji, and other Pacific nations is challenging. Firstly, there is limited access to motor vehicle insurance, and therefore a crash is an economic loss, and often has associated compensation payments to landowners and victims. Secondly, the drivers you employ only receive basic introductory driver training to start and move a light vehicle. A license, therefore, is no proof of skills or knowledge. Then the road network is poorly maintained, and even upgraded roads don't receive first world standards of signage, drainage, and crash protection. Then the vehicles in your fleet might be purchased new, but many are stripper models, missing the safety systems found in the same model in Australia. Then, because of limited driver training, your personnel probably don't know how to check a vehicle and its tyres. This can lead to engine and tyre damage, increased fuel consumption, and further repair costs and vehicle downtime. And just because there is limited police enforcement and Transport Department monitoring doesn't excuse a company from its duty of care to ensure its vehicles are safe and roadworthy. Safe Drive Training has been helping company fleets in Papua New Guinea and other Pacific nations for over 15 years. Our first programs in PNG were conducted in 2008, and since then we've conducted driver training courses in many provinces. Driver training has also been delivered in the Solomon Islands, the Kingdom of Tonga, Vanuatu and Fiji on multiple occasions. This is our list of corporate clients. It includes many of the leading energy, mining and security companies operating across the region. For most of these clients, we have delivered defensive driving courses for their personnel operating light vehicles. Defensive driver training provides the essential knowledge and develops the driver's attitude to drive responsibly, plus maintain and operate the vehicle safely in all weather and road conditions. For those with a limited training budget, we offer online e-learning modules, which your drivers log into and watch selected training videos, plus complete quiz questions to assess their understanding of the material. The videos will amaze and educate your drivers. We spent a lot of time and money crashing, rolling, setting fire to, submerging, and shooting into vehicles to create this world-class content. Practical defensive driver training involves in-vehicle coaching with an assessment form completed highlighting each driver's strengths and weaknesses. Face-to-face training also allows our instructors to verify that drivers can perform pre-start and tyre safety checks on a light vehicle. Practical training can also include reactive crash avoidance skills, so participants learn how to brake in an emergency and steer to avoid a crash. Such training reinforces the proactive driving skills of scanning ahead and leaving space. For larger vehicles, we offer in-vehicle defensive driving for truck, bus, and fuel tanker drivers. Again, we have inexpensive but comprehensive online modules available to replace the need to fly in an instructor for classroom theory sessions. We also offer safety training and compliance assessments for forklift drivers. And we conduct ATV, side-by-side, and motorcycle rider training. Since your country has frequent heavy rain and the roads are in poor condition, and given most vehicles are four-wheel drive capable, we increasingly are asked to conduct off-road four-wheel drive training. We have created an inexpensive, safe operation of four-wheel drive vehicles e-learning course, which has 14 online modules. This can be completed as a standalone training course for your personnel, and they will receive a certificate when they complete all modules. But usually our instructors then conduct practical off-road training, covering the operation of four-wheel drive modes, systems like differential locks and hill descent control, and how to safely cross through hazards like mud and deep water. This training also shows your personnel how to safely recover a four-wheel drive vehicle using winches, recovery straps, and traction boards. Many of the larger employers engage us for train-the-trainer programs, so their internal trainers can conduct introductory driver training for new personnel and assess the standards of existing company drivers. This is also more economical than having an SDT instructor travelling to each company site. Plus, the training can be adjusted for local languages. Train the Trainer programs are typically 3 to 5 days and involve in-depth training on how to deliver quality classroom lecture presentations on safe driving, plus how to assess other drivers and detect and grade driving errors. It also shows these trainers how to set up and deliver practical driver training. They will then be able to improve the driving skills and safety culture of your company drivers. We provide a turnkey solution with PowerPoint presentations, driver training videos, assessment forms, and theory test templates. We include safety packs for your trainers to hand out to course participants. And since SDT is the exclusive distributor of Fatal Vision alcohol and drug simulation goggles, we will also supply your instructors with several of these goggles that are used to demonstrate the dangers of impairment. Your personnel will really enjoy such training, and attendance works as team building and helps retain personnel who will value working for a safety-focused employer. Better trained drivers not only reduce costly crashes, but smoother driving reduces fuel consumption, brake wear, and tyre costs. SDT clients use our training to win tenders and contracts with oil and gas companies. These multinationals require drivers to undertake safe driving courses, as a driver's license is no proof of skill or knowledge. Our company motto is, "Safe drivers are lifesavers," and we look forward to helping your company to improve its driving standards. Driver Training PNG is a division of Safe Drive Training with its head office in Brisbane. Contact us for more information on our range of training programs.